proud to announce the launch of something really special. This is the new VisLink Cliq, a baby HEVC transmitter, super compact, designed for lightweight onboards, drones, body-worn, etc. Allows you to connect 2 cameras simultaneously, so giving you 2 videos. HEVC, it's capable of 4K, it'll also do 1080p, 1080i, and it also has telemetry. One of the smallest 4K transmitters in the world, available now from VisLink. Includes telemetry, so remote control capability, and it works anywhere from 2 gigahertz up to 7 gigahertz. So across that whole frequency spectrum. Really excited to have this now, and please come and talk to us. Get in touch with your VisLink representative or vislink.com, and we'll be delighted to discuss some projects with you.